Ladies and gentlemen, how are we doing? Matthews here from M&O Forex Traders. I hope you're doing great. So we are here again with a beautiful breakdown of Nzdcad on the 4-hour time frame. One of the beautiful trades we took last week. A really amazing trade. Let me just show you what happened. So as you can see right here, we had a nice QML, low, higher, high, and broke off structure right there. We had the levels of liquidity at these levels right here and another one right here. And like always, like what we always want to see is this to be taken out because we know that a bunch of retail traders trying to sell at this level. Therefore, we want this to be taken out, and you can clearly see that at this level, these people were actually taken out, and we want to see the market now going to the downside. And our stop loss was 34 pips, and our target was like 340 pips. This was a very beautiful trade. Let me just show you what happened. Remember, this was on the 15th of August, just last week, right here. It was on Monday, and it was shared in our mentorship community right here. And guess what happened? Remember, this was on the 15th of August, just last week, right here. It was on Monday, and it was shared in our mentorship community right here. And guess what happened? Boom. Yeah. This is what happened afterwards. This was absolutely amazing. You can clearly see that the market just came to that level right there. We had a nice confirmation right there, and you can clearly see that the market rolled over to the downside and giving us almost one point I mean 1 to 7.3 hour. Absolutely amazing, which was almost like 220 pips. Absolutely amazing trade. Yeah, this was we so shared in our mentorship community. As you can see, first of all, what you have to ascertain is the overall direction of the market. Is the market in a downtrend or in an uptrend? If it's in a downtrend, you're looking to sell, right? If it's an uptrend, you're looking for buying opportunities. As you can see, we actually identified our level right there. And then what we had to come here is to have to find our level right there, which had a QML and low, high, and break of structure right there. Then what did we have here? We had liquidity at this level right there, equal highs. Okay. And then another thing that we had was this nice compression here. You can see that the market was compressing beautifully here. You can actually see that and appreciate it. So a nice compression right there. Okay, and often what happens after that is that the market will react and drop from there. So if you can go to the lower time frame, you can actually see it was what we call a break and retest. Price broke, retested, and then you can see that the market beautifully dropped just like that. This was an absolutely amazing trade. And yeah, the guys in the mentorship were able to actually enjoy this. Yeah, this was an absolutely amazing trade. So stop loss almost like 34 pips, and our target is like 320 pips. And so far, the market has moved about two 230 pips, something like that. Absolutely amazing, securing almost like 7 hour on this particular trade alone. So keep holding this trade until it reaches TP. You can see that the momentum to the downside is absolutely amazing. All right. So this is how it is. All right. And by the way, we have right now we are actually having a sale, a promotion. Right here, you can see we are actually giving 50. We are having a 50% off promotion for you guys. So when you actually enroll into M&F Mastery course, you get to have access to the strategy videos explaining about the strategy and also trading psychology and risk management. Other than that, you get to have lifetime mentorship with us. You have lifetime access to signals as well. You also have access to our audiobooks and ebooks. We have audiobooks on trading psychology and risk management and all that. So these are some of the benefits you're going to get. Instead of you paying $250, you have to pay $125, and this is only available up to the 31st of August 2022. So this is actually an opportunity for you guys to actually join us. Yeah, become part of our community, both our premium signals, and also mentorship signals, right? So this is how it is. So and our online course is actually well organized. You have all the lessons. You have all the lessons that you need in order for you to actually master our strategy, right? You have all that. You have all that. Let me just show you right now. So this is our course here. So if you actually come here, you are going to have access to all the videos that you need for you to be able to um actually do all that. So we have, starting from strategy right here, we have basics of market of supply and demand. You have this, so that we teach you the specific strategy that we use and everything else, so that you are able to actually trade on your own. Then you have risk management here, and we have a bunch of trading psychology videos right here. And then you also have the ebooks right here, and then you also have the links to both the signals and the mentorship groups right there. So this is something that you have to do. Like, I teach you everything that I know and exactly how I trade, so that you're able to trade on your own, right? Like, how cool is that? So on top of that, you are able to join our signals and also our mentorship community right there, which is amazing, where we share ideas. You're able to actually share your, these are some of the students, some of our students who actually send this chart analysis. You can see this is exactly like how we're able to analyze, and this is exactly how it is, right? So please join us. You actually are going to see the benefits, and that amount you're going to pay is a once-off amount. All right. So this is how it is. All right, you guys. I hope this was helpful. If you found this helpful, make sure that you subscribe, hit the bell notification, comment in the comment section. Let me know how or what you'd like us to cover next time. You guys take care. Until next time. Remember, the links are down in the description. Check the course out and join us. Right. Goodbye.